Hi, today I'm going to show you some trick to stop hiccup. Hiccup is your body natural reaction. It could be fun, but a lot of the time it's not fun at all. It could be painful because you could hiccup for hours and hours. At that time it won't be fun. My son, he had a problem with hiccup ever since he's born. So I searched a lot of methods to stop his hiccup because he won't be in good mood when he has hiccup. So I find some way to stop hiccup successfully and very easy to do. It's not the way not the wise tales you learned before, say stop breathing or terrifying them or drinking water or blowing into a bag. Nope, none of them. Those methods won't be in my video because you already know. Today I'm going to tell you something you don't know. That's some old Chinese mystery theory. If you want to learn, just keep looking. I'll show you how to do it. It's very interesting. My son insisting to join me into this video recording, but he promised me not to make any noise. So that's why he's murmuring. You could see his mouth open and closed, but he's not talking. Okay, I'm going to show you the trick. One trick is easy. You just there's 2 acupuncture points here, right by the tip of your eyebrow. And there's another one, because your human body is symmetrical. You just press those 2 points all together like this.
Yes.
You have to press it hard until you stop the hiccup.
Yes.
Yeah. Could you do it again? Could you do it yourself? Press. No, that's not hiccup. Press those spot. Okay. The other spot, I'll show you. That's very interesting. I don't know how it works, but it works. It never failed me. I think it will help you.
Yes.
What you need to cure your hiccup is a bowl, a pair of chopsticks, some water. Now, you pour the water into the bowl. And the trick is the chopsticks. You put the chopsticks on top of the bowl and make a cross. Next step is you drink the water from the bowl, but you have to drink, see, the chopsticks make the bowl into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to drink water from each section and in turn. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue till your hiccups stop. Now what we need is a baby who suffers from hiccups. You have hiccup?
Oh, hiccup! Uh-oh, hiccup is coming next.
Wait. I put the chopsticks on. Wait. Put chopsticks. See, make a cross. Okay, drink the water. Hold the chopsticks. Okay, turn. You still have hiccup?
No.
No, you can stop. If you know hiccup, you can stop.
It's gone now. It's gone now. It's gone now.
Okay, good job.